Hey everyone! Today, we're focusing on a very important topic: how to manage gestational diabetes with diet to prevent those pesky insulin spikes. Now, if you're pregnant or planning to be, you know how crucial it is to keep your health in check, not just for you, but for your little one too. Gestational diabetes is something that affects many expecting moms, and it can feel a little overwhelming at first. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll explore the best dietary practices to keep your blood sugar levels stable during pregnancy, so you can have a happy and healthy journey to motherhood. So let's break down what insulin spikes are and why they matter, especially during pregnancy. Imagine this: you eat a meal and your blood sugar levels shoot up like a rocket. That rapid rise, that's an insulin spike. Now, insulin is like a key that unlocks your cells, letting sugar in to be used as energy. But when you have gestational diabetes, your body doesn't use insulin as efficiently, leading to higher blood sugar levels and those dreaded spikes. These spikes aren't just numbers on a test, they can affect both you and your baby. That's why managing them through diet is essential for a healthy pregnancy journey. Alright, now that we understand insulin spikes, let's talk about how to prevent them with a balanced diet. It's the cornerstone of managing gestational diabetes and ensuring you're getting the nutrients you and your baby need. First things first, focus on complex carbohydrates. Think whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, sweet potatoes, and fiber-rich fruits and veggies. These release sugar slowly into your bloodstream, preventing those drastic spikes. Next up, protein. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu in your meals. I know life can get hectic, especially during pregnancy, but trust me, a little meal planning goes a long way. Think of it as setting yourself up for success. Start by eating regularly throughout the day. Aim for 3 balanced meals and a couple of healthy snacks to keep those blood sugar levels steady. Don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Portion control is key too. It's easy to overeat, even with healthy foods. Use smaller plates, be mindful of serving sizes, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Best foods to include. Let's talk about some superstar foods that'll be your new best friends during this journey. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with nutrients and fiber. Berries are your go-to for a sweet treat that won't spike your blood sugar. They're low on the glycemic index and bursting with antioxidants. And don't forget about good fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds provide healthy fats that help you feel full and satisfied, preventing those cravings. Foods to avoid. Now, just like there are foods we want to load up on, there are some we want to be mindful of. Sugary drinks like soda and processed juices, they're basically sugar bombs that send your blood sugar soaring. Refined grains like white bread, white rice, and pastries also lack fiber and can cause those dreaded spikes. And while fruits are great, dried fruits can be concentrated in sugar, so enjoy them in moderation. Practical meal ideas. Let's get practical. I know you're wondering what a typical day of gestational diabetes-friendly meals looks like. For breakfast, how about a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of nuts? Or maybe some scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado. Lunch could be a colorful salad with grilled chicken or fish, or a lentil soup with a side of whole grain crackers or chapati. And for dinner, grilled salmon with roasted vegetables or a chicken stir-fry with brown rice would be fantastic choices. Remember to space your meals and snacks evenly throughout the day to keep those blood sugar levels stable. Staying hydrated and active. We're almost at the finish line, but before we wrap up, let's not forget about the importance of hydration and exercise. Staying hydrated is crucial during pregnancy anyway, but it's especially important when you have gestational diabetes. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. It helps flush out excess sugar and keeps everything running smoothly. And don't underestimate the power of moving your body. Regular physical activity, like walking or prenatal yoga, can do wonders for your blood sugar control. But remember, always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program.